Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Epson printer drivers and restore defaults. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Epson printer is turned off and disconnected from your computer. Next, navigate to the control panel on your Windows computer. In the control panel, click on Programs. Then, select Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs to find your Epson printer drivers. Once you locate the Epson drivers, click on them to select. You will see an option to uninstall the program. Click on it. Follow the prompts to confirm the uninstallation process. Wait for the uninstallation to complete. After the drivers are removed, restart your computer to refresh your system. Once your computer has rebooted, navigate back to the control panel. Click on Devices and Printers. Here, check if your printer is still listed. If it is, right-click on the printer icon and select Remove Device. Now, it's time to restore any default settings that may have been changed. Go to Settings on your computer. Then navigate to Devices. Select Printers and Scanners from the left menu. Click on Add a printer or scanner. Allow your computer to search for devices. When your printer appears, select it and follow the installation prompts. Once completed, your printer drivers will be reinstalled with default settings. Make sure everything is functioning properly by printing a test page. You have successfully uninstalled and restored your Epson printer drivers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.